Hi, I'm Renita. Today's video is very special as it's Valentine's Day. I dedicate this video to all the food lovers out there. Wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day. So let's make two different varieties of molten lava cake. Before we begin, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified on all my further uploads. Note down or screenshot this recipe. So let's get started. Powder any sweet tea biscuit of your choice. You can either process them in a mixer or transfer these biscuits into a Ziploc bag and powder them using a rolling pin. Transfer this powder into a kneading bowl and add chocolate syrup. Next, combine both the ingredients together and start kneading. Add chocolate syrup little by little until you reach the perfect consistency. This dish is quite popular within my viewers, so I thought of coming up with some variations. Once the dough is ready, keep it aside. Next, let's make the mold. I had used a small container as a mold to make molten lava cake in my previous video. I am going to use my measuring cup this time and cover it with cling wrap. You can also use a parchment paper or polythene sheet instead. So let's make our first variety of molten lava cake. I named it Buttery Burst. Start with a small portion of dough. Spread it evenly until you reach the edges of your mold. Now let's fill it with some creamy peanut butter. Fill it evenly and let's cover it. Take a small portion of dough and press it between your hands. Place it on the cake and seal it up. And that's all. Your Buttery Burst molten lava cake is ready. Gently remove it from the mold and place it aside for decorating. Now let's make the second variety, fruity lava. Follow the same method to make your mold and fill it with some yummy jam. And again make a flat lid with the remaining dough and seal it up. And your fruity lava cake is ready as well. Now let's decorate it. Spread some chocolate syrup on top and cover it with sprinkles. And your Valentine's Day special molten lava cakes are ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you'll try it as well. In case you try my dishes, share pics on Instagram and tag me there. You can follow me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. This dish was really creamy and yummy. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.